Now, as I was telling, the number of moles in 16 grams of oxygen. What you have to find, you write on the right-hand side. So what is number of moles? You have to find out the number of moles. So in 1 mole, what is the, how is it related to the gram molecular mass? 1 mole contains, and what is of oxygen? Gram molecular mass will be 32. That is 16 is the atomic mass. O2 will be 32. So we write that on this side. We write what is asked, number of moles. So 32 grams of oxygen is equal to how many, this is equal to 1 mole. And what is asked? The number of moles in 16 gram. Therefore, 16 grams of oxygen is equal to 1 by 32 into 16. That is half. That is equal to 0.5 moles. Now the next question. Find the number of molecules in 1.8 grams of water. So number of molecules to be found. Now 18 grams of water is equal to number of molecules. Mind it, this is what we have to find out. So what is the number of molecules here? Particles in 1 mole. 6.02. 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 particles. This is molecules. 18 grams of water contains 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 molecules. Through mole we have. So what is in the question? 1.8 gram. If 18 gram contain that many, then 1.8 grams of water will contain how much? 6.022 into 10 to the power 22. Means you divide, okay, this is divide by 18, 23 it is, into 1.8. Remove the 8. So it will be 6.022 into 10 to the power 22 molecules. Now the next question. We are doing the different types of questions first, so you get an idea how to relate. The next question is weight of 0.2 mole of hydrogen. Weight of 0.2 moles of, again, hydrogen means H2. So what is the weight of 1 gram mole? 1 gram mole. 1 gram molecular, what is the molecular mass of 1 gram mole? H2, 1 at atom is 1, so H2 will be 2. Weight you have to find. So 1 mole weighs how much? 2 grams. Therefore, 0.2, 0.2 moles will weigh 2 into 0.2. Now the fourth question. What is the mass of 11.2 cubic centimeters of carbon dioxide? Now this question relates to the volume. What is the mass of 11.2 cc's of CO2? What you have to find? Mass. So mass you keep on the right hand side. Now what does the equation say? It says that, how is the mass and volume related? You see from this equation, mass, the gram atomic mass or gram molecular mass, it is CO2, so it is the gram molecular mass is 1 mole of the gram molecule, or the gram molecular mass occupies 22.4 dm cube. So volume occupied, here it is given mass of 11.2 cm cube of carbon dioxide. Volume occupied is given, mass you have to find out. So how do you relate this? 22.4 liters of gas, the gas is CO2, weighs, what is the gram molecular mass? Carbon is 12 and 32, that is 44 grams. Therefore, in the question given, 11.2 liters of cm cube, that's the same, cubic centimeters, will weigh how much? 44 upon 22.4 to 11.2. Cancels, this is twice, this is equal to 22 grams. That's equal to 22 grams. Now the next question. Volume occupied by 2 moles of SO2. What is the volume occupied of any gas? What is the volume occupied by 1 mole? 1 mole is 22.4 liters. So volume, this is the 5th question. Volume occupied by 1 mole of SO2 at STP will always be 22.4. Therefore, volume occupied by 2 moles of SO2 will be 22.4 into 2. That is 1 mole occupies 22.4. So 2 moles will occupy 22.4 into 2. Now see, 0.25 gram atoms of calcium. 1 gram atom of calcium, 1 gram atom of calcium weighs how much? 40 grams. These will be given to you, provided. You don't have to learn up the masses. So 1 gram is 1 gram atom, sorry, this is 1 gram atom of calcium is equivalent to 40 grams. Therefore, 0.25 will be 40 into 0.25. That is 1 by 4. That is equal to 10 grams. Next question. The mass of 5.6 liters of a gas at STP is 12 grams. What is the molecular mass of the gas? Now, how do we relate this? Gram molecular mass, how do we relate with the volume? 22.4 dm cube is equal to 1 mole, means 1 mole occupies 22.4 dm cube, and 1 mole means the gram molecular mass. That is equal to the gram molecular mass. So we will relate it in this way. Volume, the mass of 5.6 liters of gas at STP. What is the mass of 22.4 liters at STP? That is the gram molecular mass. Question number 2 now. 5.6 liters of the gas. What is the mass? What you have to find is the mass. So mass we keep on the right hand side. 22.4 liters of a gas weighs, now all this is at STP, only 22.4 liters of a gas weighs 12 grams. Sorry, 11.2 liters, I think. 5.6 liters of a gas. 5.6 6 liters of a gas weighs 12 grams. That is given in the question. Mass of 5.6 liters of a gas at STP is 12 grams. What you have to find is the gram molecular mass. Gram molecular mass, only 22.4 liters will be giving you the gram. Whatever is the weight of 22.4 liters, that is the gram molecular mass. So if 5.6 liters of a gas weighs 12 grams, then what will be the weight of 22.4 liters? Whatever is the weight of 22.4 liters, that is the gram molecular mass. So 22.4 liters of a gas will weigh how much then? 12 upon 5.6 into 22.4. That will be the gram molecular mass of this gas. Now the next is calculate the number of atoms of each kind in 53 grams of sodium carbonate. This is a little different. In this, you have to go in steps. First, you have to find the moles, find the mole, then convert it to molecules, then convert it to atoms. Now first let us find out the weight of gram molecular mass of Na2CO3. Sodium 2 into 23, sorry, this one, 23 is the atomic masses will be given to you. So Na is 2, so this into 2 plus carbon 12 plus 16, O is 16 into 3 means 56, 12, and this is coming to 106, 106. This comes to 106. Now this is the gram molecular mass of 1 mole. Calculate the number of atoms of each kind in 53 grams. 1 mole is 106. So you have to convert it into mole. 53 grams is how much mole? This is 106 grams. 106 grams is equal to 1 mole of Na2CO3. And in the question it is given 53 grams. So therefore, 53 grams will be how much mole? 1 by 106 into 53, 0.5 moles. Now let us see how many molecules are present in 0.5 moles of Na2CO3. How many molecules in 1 mole? 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. So in 0.5 moles, 1 mole contains 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. Therefore, 0.5 moles, this 0.5 moles, means this into 0.5, 23 into 0.5. That will come to 3.011 into 10 to the power 23. That many molecules. That many molecules. That many moles we have converted into molecules we have converted. This many molecules. Now from molecules to atoms.